These guys must be young. They probably didn't see it too much. A lot of times they might get away with most of the time, but all it takes is one stupid mistake. And then guess what? It'll be a hit and run. They'll get pulled over or get in an accident. And if they don't, it's only a matter of time. Oh, look at this car right here. Am green. And he slows down. Why? Look, here he goes. This video. Ambry 63S. Slow down. AMGRY 63S. Up ahead, he slows down, he speeds up. Some people get an accident. Hey, here he goes again. Ready? You got speed addiction. Oh man. Can't make this up. Again. What the fuck he's doing? There's another one. I'm telling you, these guys, man. I remember I saw this, especially this stretch of road. I saw a car that almost crashed. Oh, actually, not almost crashed. They crashed. I got video of that. It was a white SUV, but it was like one of those like sport up SUVs. I gotta see. Oh, here we go. There we go. Told you. What did I say, guys? What did I fucking say? Look at this, multiple cars. Multiple fucking cars. What did I fucking tell you guys? What did I fucking say? Wow. And I bet you that it was that. Is he ahead? I bet you I wouldn't be surprised if it was that that SUV that was on the left. I bet you that car on the right was like, oh shit, let me chill, cause the red car was like, oh, he didn't have no piece of that. I'm telling you, these motherfuckers don't learn. Didn't I tell you? These motherfuckers will end up getting in an accident or getting pulled over. What did I say? You just like, some people just don't learn. They learn the hard way. They do all that speed shit. And don't get me wrong, most of the time they'll get away with it. But shit like this, no. It's only a matter of time, and that was the time.